Hey guys, it's Jen and Sweet Pea from I Create Crafts. Today we're going to show you how to make a custom t-shirt. You won't want to miss it. Okay, so now I'm in my design space. I'm going to go up to my projects because I already have this SVG created. I'm going to click on the one that I want. And I'm going to customize it because I need to change the size of it to fit my t-shirt that I'm going to be making. And I want to tell you really quickly about this logo that I created. I created this on Canva, and I will put the link down below. It's amazing. It's so much easier and user-friendly over Photoshop. They have millions of photos, graphics, and fonts that you can use, so it's kind of fun trying to create this one. So that's where I designed it from. Also, if you look at all my YouTube thumbnails, you will see every thumbnail has this image in it. So it's amazing if you want to create something in there. So the next thing I'm going to do is resize this to fit the size of my t-shirt that I'm going to be wearing for every video that I create from now on. So I'm going to go up here to unlock. I'm going to resize it to about 12 by 3. I'm thinking that's about as wide as I want it. And maybe a little bit bigger, so you can use this little arrow button since it's unlocked and kind of work with it to see what it will look like if I just enlarge it a little bit. So I like that. So I'm going to go ahead, since I've already created it, I've imported it, I don't have to attach anything down here or weld, so it's all ready to go. I'm going to go up to make it. And then one really important thing is when you're working with heat transfer vinyl is always make sure to mirror your image. If you don't, it will come out backwards on your project. So always please make yourself a note, or just remember to mirror an image if you are working with HTV vinyl. Every month we do a craft bundle giveaway. It only takes 20 seconds to enter. Visit icreatecrafts.com and click on the giveaway. So I'm going to go ahead and continue on this. I will cut it out and weed it, and then I'll show you the next part. Alright, so I weeded my project. The next step is to actually, what you want to do first is just iron out and preheat it. And then carefully place it in the middle. I like to just take a couple seconds and look and make sure it's even distance from each side. And from the armpits. Hold the iron down for 10 to 15 seconds in each spot until the whole piece is done.